Oyo. Oyo. Biamono. First of all, the family of Mogeni, our sincere condolences to the loss of your dad. I know he was a good man. He stood for principles and he has rested. I could see the emotions coming through, but he has rested. Like the Bible says, a good name is better than perfume. And the day of dying is better than the day you were born. I'm now addressing the family. Take courage. That's Ecclesiastes 7 verse 1. Psalms 116 verse 15 says, precious in the sight of the Lord is the death of his saints. He has rested. We believe, like Pastor said, we'll see him on that glorious day. And on the side of the Bible, I leave you with one message. That when, and I think Pastor touched on it, Isaiah 26 verse 3 says, precious. No, Isaiah 26 verse 3 says, you keep you in perfect peace. That's what we brought here. The Lord will keep you in perfect peace. I saw my colleague, Mokoyone, almost broke down. Let me assure you, go back and read Isaiah 26 verse 3. He will keep you in perfect peace, whose mind is steadfast, or whose mind is stayed on you, because he trusts in you. The Lord trusts in you, will keep you in perfect peace. I've now finished my elderly business to the family. Bono tiganche samangana manene amatambe. Bramorocho mwako yoiga. Omanyete nande tiga montegerere ngora. Nyamanke yako regentoki. Mwachai ruwe. Egesa kwege ke. Isiria nyamenke. Lakini ke kusige ente biga. Nyamenke yako regentoki. Mumroyo. Morochega. Ne nyamenke. Lakini ngokora robo kimagwaki. Eke. Kumuganyare Kenya. Kumuganyare Kenya. Ekiagera abantu bachaye kuigwa omungusoye. Nganto tagete gonchoreria. Elito nyoro bugambi. Porobotoereru. Obugambi butanyare kuna kwararia abantu. Buchanda abantu. Ekine kia kogera di musuri aye. Di abere di musuri ronge. Na inuga agusi. Momanyete mwati okreto bugambi. Kuru mwaka sagini. Mwaka James Nyamweya. Mwaka Sakari Onyonka tuwarenge komo. Ise mwana oyo Senator Onyonka. Mwaka Omanga. Mwaka Nyachai. Na entu muna tuwachai ganu mwaka Obure. Tuwabere cabinet yejo. Mtomanyete chi cabinet ngiko ambu ime. Onye tubuati utaratibu ese cabinet. Labe nse ko otokane kabire yebuna ya otokane ribona ya elire. Yonko bakurira. Uno mugaka. Egento mora kore. Bono egento mora kore. No korotota. Ke kusibono ngokwana. no koroto tanga ngai chimbaratero chire tubwatie tonyora se ngombe yite sibire Gasina boigo Bono Fred, you are the 6th, and I told you that. Why do I say so? The Bible tells me, Psalm 75, verse 6, when you have time, read it. Nothing from the east, or from the west, or from the desert will do anything, but it's God who wills and chooses to bring one down and bring another one up. May that be your portion. What do you say, all of you? May that be his portion. Point number 1. Point number 2. When you see a lot of noise going around and you hear all manner of languages being spoken against him, please take note and remember that omotobwata matunda na roko rugentoki amagena, you are blessed, you are bearing fruit, and that's why they're hitting at you left, right, center. And I say this, and I take solace from the Kisi metaphor. Onye chiombe chikorisi egeti chibwate chimori iyo chigo tiria chiatiria egeti kerekegare ekare chiatiriri eventually pakachira na segetoki asengina. All these noises you are hearing proverbially, they are going to run up and down. Eventually, they will come back to where you are. Then, you must see what is happening in Kenya. President Uhuru himself, the 4th president, went to Murang'a in the core of Central Province, the mountain. And he quoted, he doesn't know Fred's home, he doesn't know where he's born, he doesn't know what he does, but one thing he knows, he's a workaholic. A language you almost you can understand. A whole president was ruled for 10 years. And I worked with him, has come out saying, hold on, this country is going the wrong direction. Let's put it straight. And he brings out your own son and says, he's a workaholic. Who are you? Who is me to come and doubt that kind of message which is coming loud and clear? Na ande mogaso. Omwa koniru mono. Yo mokoni legose. Mokoni legose. Take heed. Why do you think they're after him? Because they know, given the opportunity, he's going to shine. They are going to complain. That's why they're after him. Abana waito wanda bake ebiroge bibiansa abirabyo abusa nare mona korengereria mambiende bo kaigo 27 abusa ngora igo ngora igo birete se chama kyo mgako yoiga ese bire nere bibinde karabye bake mucho mukonyora kucho magega kala mwako dugwa akachukura. Ngasina baigo Bono manyete, I don't want to take longer than this. The final message in area. Onyamoko igumoigwe. Bono tikande eto mugako ito. The 6th. Mwakere chinkobi. Uyabono. Thank you.